This is crazy. That's a lot.
Yeah, the gears are
Oh wow.
You hear that?
Yeah.
We got lucky. It barely happened. And that's the idler gear right there. That's the one that drives the power steering pump, fuel pump, and the air compressor.
Yeah. So let's talk about really quick, because I don't think we talked about this. The complaint was that
that's the drain plug. That's the magnet. Barely anything. It's doesn't have anything on it. Nothing crazy.
no power steering and
Hard to start.
hard to start.
Yeah, hard to start. Obviously with the D13s, the most common issue is injector coil, very hard to start.
Yeah.
But if you have both of these issues going on, then you have something.
So if the idler gear goes out, you're gonna have hard time to start it, and you're gonna have almost no power steering. Why is the water pump?
Power steering pump.
Power steering pump, I mean.
Yeah, this one's all worn out. For the reason being that the idler gear is all loose, it has so much play in it.
Yeah.
Screwing up the gears.
So when you pull this out, if you put the power steering pump first,
You can
right?
inspect the idler gear.
That's what I was going to ask you. Is there a shortcut to make sure you can check your idler gear?
Yeah, and that's
And this is what you literally did. You just go in there and check the play. But when you swap the power steering pump, you could have somebody inspect it immediately.
yeah. Or if you want to be on the safe side, it really won't be much labor.
Just to take it off.
Take it off.
Yeah.
Or if let's say you're leaking oil, sometimes the O-rings leak. You're gonna reseal it, pull it back, make sure it's good.
Yeah.
Go forward. If not, then you got yourself a project going on.
Yeah.
Save your engine. Like in this case, we drained the oil. We saw the conditions. There was no big shavings, so we know that it's still a salvageable engine.
Yeah. Yeah. And the customer put a lot of money in it, so we obviously want to make sure, it's done properly. So there's a new head on it.
Yeah.
A lot of new parts that we put on that engine. So.
Well, this one is actually the one that video that we posted up a year ago, roughly. Checking the bull gear.
Yeah. There is a video about a bull gear, and that's that engine when we had it apart. To summarize, symptoms: hard to start, power steering
is hard, yeah.
And
Noise.
that I was gonna ask you. There is a noise that you can when they pulled it in, because I wasn't here. When they pulled it in, were you the one that received it?
I pulled it in.
Okay.
Remember everybody was struggling to back it up?
Yeah, you backed it in, but when the customer brought it.
Yes, you can hear the noise at idle. You rev it up a bit, and then once you let off the throttle, you'll hear some banging going on inside, some grinding.
Okay, would that be could that be confused with bull gear?
It could be.
So that's either or. You have some kind of a problem in your gear train, and
exactly
right. Okay, we're gonna keep taking it apart.
Taking it apart, yeah.
Yeah, let's
Drop
take
the
it apart.
Doghouse removed, everything.
Yeah, so we're gonna take it apart. Keep shooting. I wanna record the whole thing. So.
Okay, sounds good.